Chai Latte. Ingredients: 6 cardamom pods, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, 2 teaspoons whole cloves, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1/1-inch piece fresh ginger, thinly sliced, 1/3 cup packed brown sugar, 4 cup water, 6 black tea bags, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 4 cup whole milk, ground cinnamon, for garnish, ground cardamom, for garnish. Directions: in a small pot over medium heat, bring spices, sugar, and water to a boil. Reduce heat and let simmer for 5 minutes. Bring mixture back to a boil, then add tea bags and vanilla and remove from heat. Cover and let steep for 10 minutes. Remove tea bags, then strain tea and discard spices. In a medium pot over medium heat, bring milk to a simmer. Turn off heat and use an immersion blender to froth milk. To each mug, pour 3/4 cup chai tea and ½ cup warm milk, adjusting amounts according to preference. Top off each mug with milk foam and a sprinkle of ground cinnamon and cardamom.